You also mentioned Linux.
Yes.
Which distro do you use?
Oh, great question. Well, I started Linux journey.
Let me guess.
Let me guess.
You look stable. You could be a Debian person, but you also like bleeding edge. Arch. You're using Arch or Gentoo.
I give you Arch or Gentoo or Debian.
Arch, because it's popular, and you like using what's popular.
Well, that's not true. How dare you say that? But I'll give you 80 out of 100 points. I don't use Arch. I use what's called EndeavourOS. Have you heard of it?
I had an interview with YouTube's channel, and I think he mentioned it. I have heard it a lot of times. I don't know. Someone mentioned it, but
okay. So I started my Linux journey in 2011. With that, my slow laptop. Before that, I was a Windows user, as everybody is when they start to use PC. But I really wanted to see what this Linux is about. So, but I was and I'm currently really afraid to mess with the OS level stuff. Really afraid of it. So I wanted to have a separate computer to experiment with Linux. And I installed, what do you think I installed? Yes, Ubuntu. I installed on that.
Yeah, we all do, I think.
Of course. And the funny thing is, it was 2011, and it was a fairly new laptop at the time. And 11.0.4 did not work, but 11.10 thankfully did. So I installed 11.10 and used it for a while. And in 2016, I think I switched to Linux full time. And it also was Ubuntu 16.04. What I really do not enjoy in Ubuntu is that it needs to do a major upgrade from time to time. And again, I'm really afraid to touch OS level stuff. And I was very afraid to break my PC and not so on. I don't know, lose my data, set it on fire. I don't know. I really did not enjoy it. So I used 16.04 for quite some time, up until it, for some reason, bricked, I think. I tried to update to 18.04. It did not work, so it was another issue, but okay, I did not like it. After I started to use my new laptop, I knew that I wanted to have a rolling updates. Just not the stable Debian and Ubuntu type of major updates of versions, but rolling updates that I can do once a week. And also, as I said, I'm really afraid to touch any OS level stuff. So I Googled what is the best rolling release distribution, Linux distribution, which is not Arch, because I was afraid to touch Arch. There were two, Manjaro and EndeavourOS, but EndeavourOS was newer, I think. Yes, and has had comments that it is more Arch than Manjaro. Well, okay. So I installed EndeavourOS, and it is basically Arch, but with a pre-installer.
Oh, okay.
So you can say that I use Arch, and I say so myself. I don't know. Yeah, I think he will not watch this. I think I can tell you this, that I'm fairly certain that Folky also used EndeavourOS, at least for some time. He said to me that it's basically Arch, and I tell everybody that I use Arch, but it is EndeavourOS. And it is for me also. To this time, when I create an issue in Neovim repo, it requires me to describe which OS I use. I still put EndeavourOS, not Arch, no, EndeavourOS. I'm open that I'm a noob when it comes to OS level stuff. What I do is I know that you are considering to switch to Linux. That I knew that you were given advices about which rolling release to use, Void or Arch or etc. Use whatever you want here, but I do think that rolling updates is the way to go.
Yeah.
It is, yeah. But you need to understand something. You should do regular updates on the days when you know that you have time to fix possible issues after the update. I do it once every week on Sundays. I had issues exactly twice since January 2022.
Okay.
So 2.5 years, 3.5 years now. But what I do is I go to EndeavourOS forum, see if there are immediate. There is a topic there that for a sub forum that contains themes, topics that describe something that requires immediate attention to EndeavourOS users. I go there, see that there is nothing important for me to react to. Well, okay, sudo pacman -syu, and I update all my packages. What I try to pay attention to is when there is grub update, which can break your entire computer, and some other lower level stuff. If there is an update, to that, I pray to all the gods, hit enter, restart, and everything works.
Okay.
So something like this.
Okay.
I can recommend it, yes. After your video with Utax, or not video, short, YouTube short, which I think was... did you do a YouTube short in which he recommended Void? Was it...
He was talking about...
It was in the video, yes?
And non-woke, yeah.
Yes, I know that. But in the video, he also said that
Void.
Void, you would prefer Void.
Yeah, that's what he said. Yep.
Yeah. After that, I did not know much about this distro, to be honest. Only after that, I Googled. Yes, maybe it is a good choice for you. I don't know. I use EndeavourOS. I don't have much problems with it. But I update every week. If you update once every month or once every 2 months, there might be issues. Yes. I cannot. I do not have experience with that. Personal experience. My personal experience is update once a week, and everything mostly works.
Yeah, because version 1 will probably be compatible with version 2, but not with version 3, right? So that jump between versions could break stuff if you wait for too long, right? Probably.
Versions of what?
Let's say you have a package. It doesn't matter. Whatever package, and it's in version 1, right?
Yes. So, well, maybe like that, or it will not. Well, there is breaking your PC and there is breaking your setup. It's a bit different level of catastrophe. Breaking your PC, I had twice. when grub updated. That's why I'm very afraid when I see that grub needs update, but it is fairly stable now. The last one was in August of 2022. But yes, most other stuff usually is usually breaks your how you do stuff and how you configure stuff.
Mm-hmm.
You go on forum, I go on EndeavorOS. You can read it there. There is a you should do this, this, and this. Oh, okay. I do this, this, and this. Oh, okay. Everything works.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
For example, recently there was some issue with NVIDIA drivers or NVIDIA packages, something like that. I don't use NVIDIA. It didn't bother me, and so on.
And have you thought about this other one that everyone talks about, Nix, so that you can just roll back in case something goes wrong?
I did think about it. I did consider using it when I switched from slow laptop to the faster laptop in 2022. I did research it extensively as I could at the time. My main concern was that